It's a pleasure to be here, and thank you, Dr. Blanco, to you and your team for your leadership in this moment of crisis, and for the recognition of the work that the Pasadena Educational Foundation is doing to support all of you. Like Dr. Blanco said, we exist to support you. Our support has never been quite like what it needs to be right now, and we're well aware of that. Our staff and our board are completely dedicated toward facing this crisis in this moment in time. I have staff who have lost homes. I have board members who have lost homes. We are in this with you in every conceivable way. So please know how important this work is to us in this moment. You may know that we typically help out with things like meals at Welcome Back events, and today is no different. And I definitely want to acknowledge the generosity of community partners who have made breakfast and lunch today possible, notably Chef Michelle and Company, Portos, Suzanne Goyne and AOC, and all of the volunteers that help set up and serve. So we have never been a direct aid organization. Our work is to support the district, schools, and then indirectly the teachers and the students that make this whole thing work. Today is a little different, and we recognize that, as do so many people in this community and throughout the country who are sending us messages of support for all of you. I wish I could share all of them with you. The Key Club from Manchester High School in Manchester, New Hampshire sent $1,000 to support you. People with philanthropic hearts and decency and kindness from Mississippi, Texas, Colorado, all across the country are sending donations to the PEF Response Fund because they have faith that we are going to be able to help this school community rebuild, and notably to help you as individuals, those who are suffering the most right now. We've received generous donations from foundations and corporations, and the vote of support that they're giving us, knowing that because we're on the ground here and we're trusted in this community, and that their donations can make a difference with all of you. I want to share that on our website, and hopefully coming from your principals either yesterday or later this week, PEF and part of our response fund is to provide direct aid to PUSD families and staff seriously impacted by the Eaton fire. That's why we're raising money with the PEF response fund. Just a bit of, very quickly, logistics. The registration on our website is the first step. Filling out a very brief form will give us an idea of how many people are suffering, so we can have an idea of what we need to do to help and how we can distribute resources. So please go to our website if you've been severely impacted by the fires, and let us know so we can start marshaling more resources to support you. It's our pleasure to do that, and it's a part of rebuilding our school community and the lives of so many of you and so many of our fellow community members who are suffering right now. It's a pleasure to do this work. We've been doing it for 55 years. You know that we'll be with you through this whole process of rebuilding our schools and, to the extent possible, the lives that have been impacted. We're with you in the long run, and we wish you only the very best.